domestic flight operations as well partially. The DGCA has visited Delhi airport to look for preparations. Sources also telling your channel that airlines are keen to operate on major routes, for example, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, which are commercially more viable, averse to only operate shorter flights, which would be restricted to current green zones, which are mostly Tier 2, Tier 3 cities. The latest breaking update we're picking up at this point in time. Remember how after several other relaxations as far as bringing back stranded Indians from abroad, or bringing back several migrants to their home cities, or even partially resuming passenger train services starting tomorrow onwards. Another big announcement that the DGCA could be looking at flight operations as well. Shantashi, my colleague, along with Prakash and Tejinder. But coming to Prakash first, Prakash, you know, all eyes on Prime Minister Modi meeting several chief ministers as we keep our viewers ahead on these breaking updates. Important to really understand today what could transpire as far as that meeting is concerned, and what are really the key focuses at this point in time, given that we're just a few days away from when phase 3 of the lockdown comes to an end, and how the economy has taken a real hit, and that could be one of the priorities of the central government right now.
Well, yes, this is an important meeting because the phase 3 of lockdown would end on 17th of May. And the major concerns for the Prime Minister and the various chief ministers would be to bring back the economy on track. And I believe that our sources tell us that train services would be resumed from important places like in Patna, Delhi, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, Bangalore, and train services would gradually start. That's what the planning of the railway ministry is,
Prakash,
as well as the PMO.
A small interruption there. A small interruption there. MOS PMO has made a big announcement on the special trains. He says he's taken to Twitter, and I quote, "I've just spoken to Railway Minister Shri Piyush Goyal. The first passenger train from Delhi to Jammu will start from 13th instead of 12th May so that the authorities get enough time to make required arrangements at Jammu railway station." Prakash, I'm going to come back to you, but Gursimran is with us to give more inputs as far as this breaking update is concerned. Before that, MOS Home, Jitendra Singh on the phone line with us. Jitendra Singh, just read out the tweet that has been put out by you, that as far as trains from the national capital to Jammu are concerned, the date has now been shifted to 13th. So if you could just give us an input on what exactly is the reason as far as this decision is concerned.
No, nothing of that sort. As you know, the railway minister had yesterday announced all the number of passenger trains on different sectors getting started from the 12th. So as a part of that, as a sequel to that, because we are making mutual adjustments with the concerned state governments and the UTs, and therefore there was possibly a request from the UT authorities also that they would require some time to make the necessary arrangements at the Jammu railway station, because it's not been functional for several weeks. So that's about all. It's a part of the mutual adjustment. But nevertheless, the train is restarting like other sectors.
All right. So essentially, Mr. Jitendra Singh, you're saying that it is a coordinated effort, and because you've communicated with the JNK administration, and upon that particular request, now this decision has been taken. But sir, if I could ask you, what kind of challenges is the government looking at this point in time? Because this is again going to be a mega exercise, and one has to be very careful as far as precautions are concerned.
But nevertheless, as the Prime Minister gave us the mantra, Jaan Bhi or Jahan Bhi, and I think it's a part of that also facilitating the lifestyles and the other essential activities. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Jitendra Singh, if I could also quickly ask you, Prime Minister will be meeting several chief ministers once again. We'll try and reconnect with him, but